Yeah, good morning, friends. Today I will explain how to install Tally Prime. First, download the Tally Prime software. Go to Google. In that Google screen, Tally Prime download. Tally Prime download 4.1. This Tally software is provided by the Tally Solutions. So here Tally Software Solutions. So downloads now. You press that one. After that, download Tally Prime 4.1. This is the version. Download. Once you click the download, that file will be downloading here. Once it will be downloaded, you get the one setup file. This setup file, it will be stored in the downloads. After downloading, directly you go to the downloads file. So it is going on. Once download is completed, so here in the downloads, that setup file will be showing here. Setup. This is the Tally setup file only. You click on the setup file. You click on the setup file. The system will be doing this. So here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your drive? Tally Solutions Private Limited install. Yes. If you press yes, it will be downloading the Tally Prime software. So install setup. So here update, configure, more options it will be showing. So once you click the configure, here this way it will be showing you are not configure, installation is required. So installation, more options. So here uninstall, update, that install now. So install new, you click on. So here the icon will be changing. The previously different way it will be showing. Now install. So once click install, the Tally Prime software will be installing in our system. So press install. Press install. It will be going. So installing Tally Prime release version 4.1. Once installation is completed, installation successfully, it will be completed. Start Tally Prime. So if you press this start Tally Prime, so Tally Prime now it will be open. This is a simple process to install the Tally Prime. Again, I will repeat it. Simply go to the Google and Tally Prime downloads and downloading the Tally Prime. You get the one setup file. You click on the setup file. So once you select the installation you click, automatical system will install in our drive. After that, open the Tally Prime only. Here you are using the educational mode only. Educational mode you are using. Here that system will showing different way. So here continue in educational mode, use license. reactive existing license, activate new license, but you are using the educational mode only. If you purchase the any tally, so your payment option, you pay and you purchasing the software, that time you are activating the license. But in the educational point of view, you are selecting the continue in educational mode only. You press continue in educational mode, so it will be coming. So actually, this is the previous data also there. That is the reason system will asking the migrating the data that all are. So now it is not required. Simply go back. So problem one, that is the reason the system will asking. Okay, simple. This is the setup to install the Tally ERP 9. So if you create the company, directly you go to the company, create company option is available. You are creating the company also. So KNR Software Solutions. In the enter mailing name automatically it will come. The door number you mentioned something and you are entering to the address Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, in the state Telangana and pin code 560. You give the fax number 040123 like that number. The mobile number also you give. In the next fax number also you give. In the email ID also knr knr@gmail.com. So website www.knr.in. So enter the financial year books financial year beginning from 1st April 2024. Your books are started in 1st April only. And the books beginning from also same. Enter. Yes. So now company is created. The company created successfully. After that, these are the features. Accounting, maintain accounts, yes. Enable bill-wise details, yes. Maintain inventory, yes. Integrate accounts with inventory, yes. GST enables, yes. Once you press the yes, GST related details are also provided. So Telangana regular no GST IR number 36. You give the number, GST number 36. That GSTR number you are entered. I am entering rough number. Enter. Monthly. Enter. Finally, your computer or the company is created. Finally, KNR Software Solution Company is created. After that, you create the groups, ledgers, and inventory master that are. In the next class, I will continue the remaining part. Thank you for listening.